Are you tired of that low-paying job? Are you tired of working very hard and earning so little? Do you want to earn in US dollars and never have to worry about the exchange rate? Then join me in a full-stack software developer course at Aco Multimedia. My name is Imafidon Samuel. I have 8+ years experience in software development. In this time, I have worked with companies in Africa, US, Europe, and even in South America. I will be your tutor for this course. In this course, we'll start out with the basics of HTML and CSS, where you learn how to build basic layouts and then style with CSS. Then we'll move on to more complicated concepts in JavaScript, where you learn how to add interactivity and actions to your web page. Then we'll move on to building large-scale front-end systems using React.js, Node.js for the back-end, and also introduction to database systems like NoSQL and also SQL database systems. In this course, every student will have an opportunity to build interesting projects like a personal portfolio, games, and even a full-fledged e-commerce application. So join me as we begin this interesting journey into your tech career. So sign up with us at www.acomultimedia.com. Do so now.